This is going to be a video tutorial on how to find and post Amazon Associate links. I'm a member of the Amazon Associates, and I have a YouTube channel. Actually, I have several of them, and I want to post a link here, an Amazon Associates link. You want to make sure that you post a disclaimer near the near your link. I'm going to post a Kindle book here for Second Sight by Alan Edward Norse. I want to post a Kindle book here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for it on Amazon. I just use the regular Amazon search page. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to jump over to the regular Amazon search page. I'm going to paste my text here, and then I can event this little drop down here. I can event since I'm looking for a Kindle book, I can go to the Kindle store, kind of narrow down my search a little, and I'll hit search, and right there it is. That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to click on that, and I've got the Kindle version here. I'm going to scroll down to where I see the ASIN number. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to jump over to the Amazon Associates page right here, the Amazon Associates. I'm going to scroll down to the little search bar here. I'm on the home tab here. I'm going to scroll down to the little search bar here, and I'm going to paste my ASIN number right in there, and then I'll click on go. And right here, it brought up the book right here, the Kindle book. And over here off to the right side where you see it says get link, the way I do it, I hit the little drop down next to it. And this is the full link right here. And I don't want a link that's this big. So what I'll do is I'll click on this shorten URL to amzn.to. I want to click on that. And now it gives me a nice short little link. I'll click on the page right here, and it highlights the whole thing. Now I'll copy this. I'll jump back over to where I'm going to post the link right here, and I'll paste it right here. And that's it. That's how you post a Amazon Associates link. Thanks for watching.